It's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this powerful 3D in CorelDRAW step-by-step tutorial. But before I dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to click on the subscribe. With that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create this powerful 3D in CorelDRAW. So let's get started. Go to your tools bar, select your circle, come to the workspace and press Ctrl key down to draw your perfect circle. Come to the top right here. From the circle property, type in 360 for the width, then 780 for the height. Press enter on your keyboard. You are going to have stuff like this. Press P to centralize. Next thing you have to do is to double click. This allows you to have a rotation pane. Come to the home tab here, click on window, then go to Docker, go to transform. Right here, make sure your rotate is active. Type in 45 degree here and type 8 and click on apply. Next thing you want to do is to go back to your toolbar again and select your circle. Then from the center, press down Ctrl key and draw your perfect circle. So you can press P to centralize. Then press Ctrl plus to zoom out. Then press Shift key and select the circle and drag. Then make sure it's snapped to the edge of the shape. Next thing you want to do is to come down below here, click and hold down and choose the Smart Fit tools. So you can fit from the top. Press Shift key and select the second shape, third one, and the fourth one. Come to the home tab right here and make sure you click on Wedge. Come down below here and right click to remove stroke. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you fill this logo with some color. So you can press Ctrl minus to zoom in. Now for you to fill the logo with a nice color, so you have to come down below here, click and hold down and choose your interactive fill. Having choose your interactive fill, I'm going to copy the color from this point here. Copy. Next thing I'm going to do is to delete all the logo or the shape. We're going to click on here, delete, delete. Next thing I'm going to do is to come back to the logo shape, double click on the logo shape. This allows to have your rotation pane. Then snap the rotation pane to the center. For you to be sure, you can select the shape, the circle, and drag your ruler from the vertical and horizontal, then snap to the center of the circle. And go back to the logo shape, double click again, you have your rotation pane at the center. Come back to the rotate, make sure this is active, then you type in 45 here, make sure this is 8 and click on apply. You are going to have stuff like this. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you delete the ruler. For you to do that, just make sure your cursor turns to something like this. Right click on it and make sure you choose delete. Come down here also, right click on it and make sure you choose delete. Next thing you want to do is to fall back to the circle and you can choose whatever color of your choice. Next thing you have to do is to come down below here and make sure you right click. This allows you to remove stroke. Next thing you have to do is to go back to your tools bar right here. Make sure you click on shadow. So after you choose your shadow, you have to come here, come to the home tab here and make sure you choose large glue. After you choose your large glue, make sure you choose inner shadow. When you choose your inner shadow, you have to change the color from the shadow color right here. Once you click on shadow color, I'm going to pick on my height color dropper. Then I'm using this dark black. Once you're done, you have to come here. Make sure you type in 80 degree. Make sure you type in 70 degree and press enter on your keyboard. Now you can select all the logo shape and press Ctrl J to group. You can resize your logo shape to whatever size of your choice and the like. So you can come right here and make sure you click close. With that, you are able to create your 3D professional logo in CorelDRAW. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.
How it's supposed to feel.